How to watch Champions League on Samsung TV. Hey guys, in this video, I'm going to show you how you can watch the Champions League on your Samsung Smart TV. So make sure to watch this video till the end and let's get started. So in order to watch Champions League on Samsung TV, you have to follow these steps. Step 1. Install the Dazen app. Navigate to the Samsung Smart Hub on your TV, search for the Dazen app and install it. Step 2. Sign up. Open the Dazen app and follow the on-screen instructions to create an account or log in if you already have one. Step 3. Subscription. Dazen may require a subscription to access live sports content, including UEFA Champions League matches. Step 4. Use screen mirroring with a power mirror. Download and install the Power Mirror app on both your smartphone and Samsung Smart TV. Step 5. Connect devices. Ensure both devices are connected to the same Wi Fi network. Open a Power Mirror on both devices and follow the instructions to establish a connection. Step 6. Stream matches. Once connected, you can mirror your smartphone's screen to your TV and stream Champions League matches from compatible apps. Step 7. Access local broadcasts. Check local listings in your region for sports channels that may broadcast the Champions League. So that's how you can watch Champions League on your Samsung TV. That's all for this video.